How to reset US Bank online banking password. If you've forgotten your US Bank banking password or need to recover your account, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to the official US Bank website. You can do this by typing www.usbank.com. Once you're on the US Bank homepage, look for the login section. Simply tap on it. Now, below the login password field, you'll see a link that says forgot username or password. Click on that link to begin the password reset process. Now, here, what you need to do is simply enter your username. This is the same username you use to log into your online banking account. Just go ahead and type it in. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. US Bank will either ask you to answer security question or send a verification code to your registered phone number or email address. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. After successfully verifying your identity, you'll be asked to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that meets the security requirements listed on the page, such as using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've created a new password, click submit, and that's it. You've successfully reset your US Bank online banking